Government inherently has a tendency to be departmentalized, if you will, where one department is doing its work and another municipal department is doing its work, and they're not communicating well for the benefit of the citizens.
One of the great pressures on local governments today is to share services, to be more efficient in how they operate. And by delivering those services from a cloud platform, we can not only reduce their individual costs, we can help them work together to find the best way of doing each of the various things that the various governments have to do. IBM Municipal Shared Services Cloud is a pilot project we've been working on with local governments here in New York State and also in the state of Michigan, working with partner organizations, the New York Conference of Mayors and the Michigan Municipal League, to develop this new approach to providing services to municipalities.
This technology not only will allow the local government to do its job better, it will allow the residents of the community to understand how the municipality is doing its job in relation to that individual citizen. Because it's a web-based system, the cloud, it will allow, through a citizen portal, the citizens of a municipality to know in real time where they stand with their government.
So for example, when a local government collects taxes, they actually bring together functions of multiple departments: the building permitting department, the building assessment department, the tax collecting department, the accounting department. Today those departments all run separately. With the Municipal Services Cloud that we've been building, these applications will actually share information, making the government more efficient, because when the taxes are collected, the accounting system will know who paid how much.
These cloud technologies and some of the newer developments that IBM is coming out with really put us in a position to reinvent what it means to cooperate and collaborate together.
We're excited about the opportunity to work with IBM on the forefront of a lot of different technologies for municipalities, seeing them move now into smaller communities and providing services, potentially providing services for communities my size is very exciting.
Right now, if a citizen comes to City Hall and wants to get an understanding of where their application's at for a building permit, when they go to that department does not know what the other departments are doing with that property in terms of overseeing monies owed. For example, they don't know whether the property taxes have been paid on the property. With this technology, an employee in the planning and zoning department will be able to see right away when the applicant comes in, well, the reason your application has not been approved yet is I can see that you still have an outstanding property tax bill. But you can go right down the hall, pay that property tax. I will be able to see it immediately on my screen that it's been paid. You can come right back here and get your building permit.
We are expecting the citizens to actually see three values. We think they will see a more efficient city, where the local officials are able to do more for the citizens because they're doing less mundane work. A more effective city where new services will be provided which integrate the information, and a more transparent city where both the officials of the city and its citizens have a better view of what is going on and what the aspects are of that city which matter to them.
Why IBM? I don't think in terms of research and technology, there isn't anybody that can hold a candle to IBM.
The beauty of this cloud is it allows for collaboration in a way that municipal departments don't have to abandon something that's already working.
Local governments today are in trouble. The cost of doing government has to go down, and the effectiveness of government has to go up. This provides them a way to do it, and they're willing to try new technologies, which will also find their way into many other industries as the technologies are perfected and the value is recognized.